Testing, testing. 1, 2. Can you hear me? If I pull out some parsley, if I show you my chopper. All right, guys. Today I'm gonna whip up a nice little treat for my daughter's first day back to school, and she's a junior. Just turned 16 recently, as if you were following, you would have seen her. But today I'm gonna chop up some fresh parsley with my new chopper. I got some cube mozzarella. I got some sausage and some tater tots. I'm gonna whip up the batter and put these in it, and you assemble them like this: tater tot, sausage, cube cheese, sausage, however order you want to do them. Make a batter. I'm gonna put the batter in here and just dip them straight in. So after I make the batter, I'll put it in here, just dip them, straight in like this. Into the batter, into the deep fryer. Once they get out, I will lather them with some, any of your flavors, whatever you want to choose. But I'm going with the tomato, basil, garlic, tomato sauce, and pasta sauce. And then top it off with some Italian seasoning and Parmesan with some fresh chives. So that's going to come out nice. Hopefully you follow me, and we'll see how it goes as I assemble these and get them going. And I appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate my viewers, and I've been slowly getting more and more subscribers. I'm trying to get 3,000 subscribers. I know it's far-fetched because I'm only at 2,088, but I'm going back to Tonga this month coming up, and I got other things I want to do there and get accomplished there in the island. Add a tour business to my LLC that I already have existing, so that way I could hopefully get my uncle to work and get him a driver's license. He just left. If you've been watching, you know that I went with my Uncle Lotu all around the last couple of weeks that I was in Tonga last, and I want to get him some kind of income. So working on getting him a driver's license. We got working on a vehicle and the license. So once we have a tour license or a taxi, something that he can make an income, it'll go both ways. But I want it to be under the Nuku Nuku retreat and getaway. So again, looking forward to it. If I could get more subscribers and likes and notifications and comments, I appreciate it. Get them subscriptions going. I want to hit at least 3,000. I would pray for that. I'm heading back to Tonga because that's where I want to retire. This is where my whole adventure started and my retirement plan. But for now, these last few weeks, I got into wanting to cook for my family, and that's what I'm doing. So again, thanks for watching, and I will show you the outcome and what it comes out to look like with all these ingredients. Thanks again, and God bless. Okay, so this is how it came out. I had taken those, put them in a deep fryer, deep fried them with the pancake batter, and they came out like this. And then you just topped it off with the ragu sauce, Parmesan, fresh parsley, and that's how it came out. So hopefully you like the journey that I went on, and that's it. Appreciate it. I got a little nephew over here. Yeah, you can't tell a kid to be quiet. He's like, nah, bro. He's looking at him like, you're telling me to be quiet? But yeah, that's how it came out, guys. I just wanted to show you, deep frying does come out with some good little treats, So there you go. Appreciate you watching. Till next time, hit the like buttons, subscribe, comment, and all that. Appreciate you guys. So this is what it came out looking like up close. From one side to the other. That's a little better. And it's got mozzarella cheese and those tater tots with the sausages. That came out pretty good. So my grandson, he decided when my daughter went to go work out, he freaked out. So he was like, Grandpa, we need to go look for my mom. So guess what we're doing? We're looking for your mommy, huh? Oh, okay. Okay. Yes, do not ever cross and go in the street. You're very smart. And thank you for telling me to get out of this street. Yeah, you can die in the street. A car can hit you. You're right. Yes, you're very smart. And I see that you stop when you see a car going by. That's crazy. You like watch and make sure they go by, then you start scooting again. But things you do to make your grandchildren happy. It's 106 right now. I think it dropped down. Sun is going down here in Arizona. Temple's right up the street there. Stop and let's turn. Yep, good boy. Here, watch where you're going. Over here. Just scooting away in 100 and something degrees. Got me walking over here. Let's hurry up and get off the main road. Let's get back to our road, okay? Let's go look for Mommy on this street, okay? Things you do to make your grandchildren happy. Yep, go that way. Let's get off the main road already and head back towards over there. Here, turn. Go that way. Okay. This way. We're over here. Yeah, we're going to go over here. Yeah, go over there to the sidewalk. And then turn over here with Grandpa. Come this way. Ooh. All right. We're going to look for her. We'll keep looking. Okay. All right. Yeah, I didn't expect to get stuck with the babysitting duties today, but Miss Wallace cut out with the other grandchildren right before these grandchildren got dropped off, and they weren't too happy about that. So we had to deal with that. People are moving out. All right, keep going straight. We are. We're looking for your mom. Keep going straight. Ah. Guys, usually is always a happy camper. Brings joy to my day. It made me sad to see him upset. He usually doesn't cry when we. Look, what's up? I see. He usually doesn't cry when he comes over, but today, when his mom was leaving, he was really going off. Wow, this looks like one of them little Asian K cars. Yeah. So let's go home. Let's go towards that house. Yeah, we're gonna go find her, but we gotta go that way. This whole recording is gonna be mostly you riding your scooter. I'm waiting for you. I'm gonna record. I want to see how fast you could go. Let me see. No, we're gonna go that way and see.
Okay, is my mom here?
Yeah, we'll go see.
Is that grandma here?
We'll go see. I don't know who's at the house. Let's go see if grandma's there, if your mommy mate came back. We'll see. Doing well, doing well. Entertaining him. His mom went to work out. He freaked out. Said, let's go look for my mommy. So we're doing the rounds in this heat looking for mommy.
Mommy would be back. She's okay.
Right? She went to exercise.
I like the bike. She's doing good.
He said, I need to find her. Yeah, he said, I need to find her.
God bless you, man.
Yes, you too, bro.
Look at my mom. Dad.
We're looking for your mommy.
Is grandma's house?
And she might be at grandma's house.
Oh, look.
A little doggy, yeah.
No, Papa, no.
What?
No, Pop, jump. Suddenly.
The doggy's jumping?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why did not go like this? Need to not go that way.
We need to not go that way.
Yeah.
Do you want to cross the street in a minute?
No.
No, because the lawnmower?
No.
So which way are we going to go if you don't want to go towards the lawnmower or to the doggy? Which way do you want to go?
In the street will call
Huh?
we'll call that way.
You're going to go that way and then walk up the street? Go up the street?
We need to go that way.
All right, so we got to look, remember? Look for the cars. Give me your hand. Come here. Oh, see? There's a car right there. Got to wait. You ready? No cars? Let's go. Wait, see? Keep going slow. There's another car. Here, I see it. I see it. Let's get ready. Ready? Cross, cross, cross. There you go. He's scared of the dog. You know, sees the dog jumping up on them and he's like, let me go. All right, go that way. This is going to be all day in Tonga. How you doing? This is every week in Tonga.
Yeah.
Because it rains so much. It's like every property is every week.
I live
Okay.
Ooh, you hear the birds in the trees?
Yeah.
Do you? Where do you hear them? All right, you want to cross this way now? Let's see. All right, hold on. Let's go. Cross. Cross, cross, go. That way, that way. Over here, Zion. He's scared of the pedals. He's scared of dogs. Come on.
The car.
No, I believe that belongs to little kids that live here. But it is a cool little car, huh? To push around in, right? Well, let's see. You seem to enjoy this one. Let's go. We're almost home, checking at the house. I see another dog up the street. Let's go. Come on, we got to go home.
Find my mom.
Well, we're going to go home and see if your mom's there.
Okay.
Right?
That's them home. No, Papa, no car seat. No car seat. It's too baby. Look at me.
We are back home. And it took us about 12 and a half minutes to walk around my block with my grandson.
I need to go home.
All right, come on.
I need not go home.
We're going to go see.
My mom. I need to go walk my mom. I need to walk my mom.
All right, we're going to go.
I need to walk
All
my
right,
mom.
13 minutes almost.